Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you how I use inexpensive items like spray paint to give outdated decor a brand new look. Now let's get started. First up is this inexpensive thrift store glass vase that I picked up for only $2. To adhere my stickers permanently to this vase, I'm adding 3 thin coats of high gloss varnish. To minimize lifting, I should have cut away more of the white space around my image before applying it to my vase, but overall, I'm very happy with how this gold vase turned out. This wooden display case was missing the glass. I picked it up from my local thrift store for just $4. I removed the cardboard center, cleaned off my frame, and gave it 2 coats of gold spray paint. While my frame dried, I began working on my cardboard center. I added a cut pour using thin Dollar Tree paint, gold paint, and a small amount of water. I'm adding more of the white paint and water mixture, but I'm adding it slowly because I don't want my cardboard to bubble. While the paint was still wet, I added some glass glitter, gold extra fine glitter, and some gold foil flakes that I already had at home. I placed my cardboard back into the frame, and then I added a thin coat of epoxy resin. I mixed 8 ounces of both part A and part B, which is more than enough for this project, but I'll show you why I prepared so much resin a little bit later on in the video. I absolutely love how this gold tray turned out. The frame is thick enough to add feet to the bottom, but I've opted not to because I like having the option to display this as wall art as well. I used the rest of my gold spray paint and the remaining resin to decorate this beautiful ginger jar that I picked up from the thrift store for just over $9. Unfortunately, I attempted to move the jar before the resin fully cured, and when it fell over, the smooth finish was completely ruined. I then attempted to repair the resin, which only made things worse. The wavy finish in the epoxy is very noticeable, but overall the ginger jar turned out beautiful, and I'll attempt to repair the jar and share the results with you guys in a later video. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Which is your favorite this week? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!